In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Citibank credit card for the first time. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you apply for a Citibank credit card online and you receive it, you will have to activate your card before you are actually able to use it as a payment method. As you can see, you will be able to activate your card by going to the Citibank website at www.citi.com for your respective region and clicking Activate over here. Now, all you have to do is include the card number and you will be able to follow through the instructions that are displayed on screen to help you activate your credit card. Sadly, I can't show you this full process on screen because I don't have a valid card number to proceed with the setup, but as long as you include a valid and legitimate card number over here, you can click continue and follow through the instructions presented on screen to activate your Citibank credit card. Once it has been activated, I recommend that you get the Citibank mobile banking app either on the Play Store or the App Store depending on if you have an Android or iOS device, and you will be able to manage your credit card inside of the mobile banking app. Of course, you can always sign into the online banking through the website if you prefer, and as long as you select credit card as a payment method and you include the details on your credit card, you will be able to use it as a payment method anywhere that credit cards are accepted. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Citibank credit card for the first time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.